What's up everyone, my name is Greg and today I'm going to be showing you an awesome, short, fast workout circuit that you can do. It consists of 3 different workouts. They're all 10 minutes long. One does your lower body and burns a ton of fat. The second does all your core, tightens it up, gets that 6-pack in, really strong. And then the third is for upper body. And these are all body weight exercises. You don't need any equipment. Only thing you're going to need is a timer. You can just use your phone for that, just to time out for 10 minutes. And this is cool because these workouts are short and they're not 10 minutes all on. What this is a lot of intervals. So you're going to have 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, 1 minute on, 1 minute off throughout the 10 minutes. So what you're really doing is you're working out for 5 to 7 minutes of the time, of the 10 minutes, and that's it. And you're going to get great results. I'm going to show you my transformation. I'll put it on right here. You'll be able to see what I did. You can do that exact same thing if you just follow this circuit. And what's going to be is 3 10-minute videos, so you can do it Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You can do it when you wake up, you can do it on your lunch break, do it before you go to sleep, as long as you do it. What's also cool is that you can do all 3 of them back to back to back. It could be 30 minutes. That's faster than going to the gym and doing one workout. 30 minutes and you're done for the whole week. So it's up to you how you spread out these circuits, but it's 3 10-minute workouts, good for men, good for women. And like I said, it's all body weight. You don't need any equipment, just a timer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the course, and if you have any questions, just shoot me an inbox. I'm always checking my messages, so I'll get back to you with any answers. Before you even take the course, if you have a question, let me know. While you're taking it, shoot me messages, and then after the course, if you have any questions, nutritional stuff, workout stuff, just shoot me a message, happy to respond. So I hope you guys decide to take this course, and I'll see you in the course.